Welcome students. This is Social Science class 8th standard Sociology chapter 1 Introduction to Sociology. In my last video, I had discussed about meaning of sociology, origin of sociology, nature of sociology, scope of sociology. This is second video. If you have not watched the previous video, please check in the playlist. Today, let us continue the lesson with the importance of sociology and the relationship between sociology and other social sciences. Okay, let us discuss about importance of sociology. Sociology is one of the social science which deals with the uses of social activities and its uses are universal. Let us discuss about the importance of sociology. Sociology is the youngest science among all social sciences. Its uses are universal. So let us discuss how it is universal. First one, sociology studies human society scientifically. Sociology constructs a systematic study of knowledge of human society with its scientific study. So this sociology aids progress in other fields of human life. So in social field, in political field, in cultural field, it involves and it will give you a systematic body of knowledge of human society, how human life existed in our society. Second point, sociology supplements personality development. So as you know, human being is mainly a social being who is often expected to get adjusted to the changing nature of society. So when high temperature, we will adjust. When it is raining, we will adjust. And depending on the food style also, we will consume and we will fulfill our needs. So the study about social structure, social growth, social changes and individual responsibilities we found in sociology. And sociology facilitates holistic personality development. So overall growth of a person, knowledge, changes, everything we can understand when we study sociology. So therefore sociology says that sociology supplements the personality development. Third point, after knowing about personality development, sociology also helps in understanding social process. Sociology aids the proper understanding of social process by studying the religion, the tradition of the society, the culture, the social rules, whatever we are following in society, regulations, and how man is following its values, ideals of other various societies. So in this way, sociology helpful in understanding the interrelationship of various social institutions. So with the help of sociology, we can understand social processes. Fourth point, sociology aids in understanding social problems and as well as it will also give its own solutions. How it will give solutions, let me discuss now. Every society is suffering from some social problems like crime, juvenile crime, communal clashes, alcoholism, hunger, no food, malnutrition, nutritious food the people are not taking, then caste-based discriminations from past to present. These caste differences are there. Unemployment, no people are not getting proper jobs. Gambling, prostitution, child labor, inequality and other various social problems. So, a systematic study of these problems provide a better insight which aids in scientific solutions. So, sociology will understand these social problems and it will also provide aids in scientific solutions to solve these problems. Therefore, sociology plays a very important role in solving social problems. Fifth point, sociology supports the effective implementation of developmental programs. So by studying human society scientifically, sociology also gives aids the effective implementation of development programs. So how society we can improve, what type of social values we can adopt with the help of social institutions. So all well implemented for the progress of sociology. So developmental programs also becomes more effective with the help of sociology. So these are the 5 points which tells us about the importance of sociology. After discussing about the importance of sociology, let us discuss about the next point, the relationship between sociology and other subjects. First one, let us discuss about relationship between sociology and political science. Sociology says that there is a close relationship is there between sociology and political science. So let us understand what is the meaning of political science. Political science is a science which studies the interactions between political institutions and political life of human beings and political institutions of human society. Whereas sociology studies various social institutions like social groups, social institutions that function within the political structure. So whatever social institutions are functioning, that all functions through social groups, and this social institution also will going to function within the political structure. So there is a close relationship is there between sociology and political science. Therefore, they says that political science also having its own interaction between political institutions. Sociology is also having its own interaction between various social institutions. So both will exist in the society. Second one, sociologist also says that there is a close relationship between sociology and history. So sociologists, the persons who studies about sociologists, they says that sociology studies about scientific knowledge of various social institutions, and each social institution will have its own roles and its own functions. Whereas historians, the persons who study about history, they says that history is the interaction of life of a past society, and sociology is the interaction of contemporary world. So contemporary world means the modern world, what way the changes are undertaking. So sociology supports historians by providing scientific knowledge of various social institutions, and each social institution will follow its own rules and regulations. So on this basis we can say that sociology and history both are having its own interrelationship. Interrelationship between sociology and anthropology is the next point. The relationship between sociology and anthropology are widely recognized. The culture and social path of human beings and its history is studied by anthropology. So what type of culture, what type of social path the human beings are following, and about that history is called as the anthropology. Whereas sociology grows independently by studying social life holistically, and it provides objective analysis of the various social institutions. So how our social institutions are making its own changes independently, and studying about all these type of rules and regulations in social life that deals with sociology. So both will follow their own culture and their own social path, and therefore sociology says that there is a close interrelationship between sociology and anthropology. After studying about sociology and anthropology, let us discuss about the next relationship between sociology and psychology. Sociology and psychology are complementary to each other because psychology studies the human behavioral aspects of human beings from psychological perspectives, whereas sociology seeks to study the social behavior, social interactions and functions of social institutions. So in this way, psychology studies behavioral aspects of human beings. Sociology studies social behavior, social interaction and functions of social institutions. So on this basis, sociology says that there is a close relationship between sociology and psychology. After studying about relation between sociology and psychology, next our sociologist also says that there is an interrelationship between sociology and economics. So economics means the study of economic activities of human beings, whereas sociology seeks to understand interactions between economical and social activities of human beings. So it also probes how human behavior forms economic activities. What way the person is involving in fulfilling his needs to get his jobs and to get his per capita income. All these are all called as economical activities, and different types of jobs and different types of works he involved in fulfilling the activities of man, that is called as economic activities. And sociology deals with the social activities, how human beings are involved in fulfilling their needs. So like this, sociology interacts with other social sciences in its own way. So after analyzing social behavior, sociology says that sociology interacts with other social sciences in its own way. So these are the points you have to know about nature of sociology and importance of sociology, interrelationship between sociology, psychology, with anthropology, with economics, with history and political science. Now, I will review these points whatever we have discussed today. Today, we discussed about importance of sociology. Sociology studies human society scientifically, a systematic study of body of knowledge of human society with its scientific study. Second point, sociology supplements the personality development, and sociology expected to get adjusted to the changing nature of society. Third point, understanding social process. It will study the religion, traditions, culture, social rules and regulations, what values we have to follow, ideals of other various societies. We can understand social process in the society. Fourth one, sociology aids in understanding social problems and their solutions like crime, communal clashes, hunger, child labor, inequality, etc. So whatever social problems are there, and it will helps us to understand, and it will also gives to solve their problems, solutions to solve their problems. Fifth one, sociology also supports effective implementation of development programs. So by studying sociology, it will study about human society scientifically. So these are the 5 points you have to know about importance of sociology. 1. Sociology studies human society scientifically. 2. Sociology supplements the personality development. 3. Sociology helps in understanding social process. Sociology gives aids in understanding social problems and their solutions. 5th, sociology supports the effective implementation of development programs. After knowing about importance of sociology, let us discuss about interrelationship between sociology with other subjects. First, interrelationship between sociology and political science. Second one, relationship between sociology and history. Third one, relationship between sociology and anthropology. Anthropology means the study of human society, culture and development. Fourth, interrelationship between sociology and psychology, and psychology which studies behavior aspects of human beings. Fifth, interrelationship between sociology and economics, economical and social activities of human beings. or discuss under this point. Like this, today we have discussed about importance of sociology and interrelationship between sociology and with other subjects. So in my next video, I will continue early sociologists, their lifestyle and what are their contributions in the field of sociology. Thank you, children.